Hey guys, Dr. Gus here, naturopath, acupuncturist, conventional doctor, and founder of drlandivar.com. Welcome to today's video. Onion broth has been used for centuries to pick up someone's mood when there's a flu, when someone is sick, when there's something needed about our immune function and our system in order to get well quicker, faster, and more efficiently. What is onion broth good for? What does it do to your body? What do onions in general do for your system, your bones, your kidneys, your brain, your blood pressure even, your sugar control? All of these health benefits I will reveal to you today. So don't forget to give this video a like button. Don't forget to share. Don't forget that we are live. If you want to leave a question, if you want to leave a comment, if you need something, anything, leave your comment down below and I'll be happy to assist you. And let's get started. If there's anything you need, maybe something that is an extract from onions, like, for example, a quercetin extract, like allergies. Maybe you need something for asthma to improve those allergies you have, your respiratory system, your circulation, and much more. Look for Allergies from Fineland at finelandvitamins.com, or maybe something like VascuCare also, which might help you overall. Like to the video. Let's start. Okay, so what does onion broth look for? If you've never had onion broth, it's just basically onions with a little bit of celery, just boiled down. I don't know who she is. Don't worry about that. Let me just jump. There you go. Okay, so just cut maybe a couple pieces of parsley, onions, well chopped up onions, and then celery. Just put it into a pot with water. Let it make yourself that broth, and that's all you need to do. Just add a little bit of salt, maybe pepper, and that's it. What does it do your body? What do onions really do to your system that is so spectacular about onion broth in general? Let's get to it. First of all, if you ever have a cold and you need something like a comfort food that you really will feel that it picks you up and puts that immune system up to par, I really do recommend you make some onion broth at home, okay? Maybe add a little piece of chicken to that broth. That really picks up the mood of your system. And it's been used for thousands of years. Just onion and maybe a piece of chicken and water and some salt and maybe a little bit of vegetables. It really does improve the way a person feels when there's a flu or anything that is making that person sick. So onion, the effect of allium cepa, which is onions, and its constituents on respiratory and allergic diseases, okay? This has been seen over and over and over again. The preventive effects of the plant, in this case onions, and its components on lung disorders induced by exposure to noxious agents, as well as lung cancer, lung infection, allergic, and immunological disorders, were also indicated in experimental and clinical studies. Therefore, this review may be considered a scientific basis for development of therapies using onions to improve respiratory, allergic, and immunologic disorders. This is something that maybe a lot of people know, but not many use. And I really do suggest that if you really have a condition, any condition, taking onions every day can pick your body up. Let me see this question real quick. Don't forget that we're live. If you have a question, leave your comment down below. Leave your question and I will answer it. Everything on this video. Good Life is asking, is it good for asthma too? Yes, it can help with asthma. It's not one of the best that will dilate your bronchi in order for you for that respiration to function properly, but it will help overall because it will decrease the amount of bacteria in circulation, in your lungs, in your respiration. It will also decrease the allergic reactions you might have, and obviously that is also going to trigger any type of asthma reaction you might be having. So yes, it will help, and it will help a lot. If you need something natural for this purpose, maybe to improve your immune function overall, look for Probillion from Fineland at finelandvitamins.com. I give this to people, patients that I have as a dietary supplement to help out with asthma. Probillion and others like, there was one up here, Flufent from Fineland at finelandvitamins.com. Flufent can really help out. I don't see it right here. Let me see if I can show it. There you go. Okay. Number 2, what else do onions do, and which is the best onion? Well, I'll get right to it. The association between onion consumption and bone density in peripausal women and postmenopausal non-Hispanic women over 50 years old. This is something not many people know about. If you're taking onions, if you're eating and drinking some of that broth made of onions, you're actually helping your bones. Onions are a very, very powerful ingredient you can take every day to improve bone density. You don't believe me? Go ahead and look at this study. Very interesting study. Conclusions. Onion consumption seems to have a beneficial effect on bone density in perimenopausal and postmenopausal non-Hispanic white women over 50 years old. Furthermore, older women who consume onions most frequently may decrease the risk of hip fractures by more than 20%. This is a lot. This is a lot because if you're trying to combat osteoporosis and you don't have many ingredients to do so, onions is one that you can consume every day to have that 20% on your lap. Number four, Let me see this question and we'll keep on going. Helen Butler is asking, is it good for chronic obstructive pulmonary disease? Not really that specific, okay? It might help you out, all right? But it's not that it can actually reverse it at any stage, but it will help that function of your lungs. It will improve lung function in many ways, okay? If you need something natural, maybe for your bones, look for Bone Ultra Extra Flex down here, Bone Ultra Extra Flex, and Digestive Health. Maybe you have arthritis, bone pain, whatever. Digestive Health from Fineland at finelandvitamins.com. Number 3 and 4. Onions are spectacular anti-inflammatory and antioxidant and immunomodulatory. We talked about this one, the third one. But anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, yes. If you're looking for something that can help you prevent diseases like cancer, diseases like cell death, maybe conditions where you see premature aging or the acceleration of any of these problems I just mentioned, look for onions. Onions and garlic, both, are some of the most potent and effective herbs, or if you want plants, you can use to prevent these type of diseases. And it's seen all over the place. There are many studies talking about garlic a lot, but onions have those same components to some degree. Conclusions. The effect of onions and its constituents on oxidative stress, inflammatory immune system were shown, indicating their therapeutic value in the treatment of various diseases associated with oxidative stress, inflammation, and immune dysregulation. Yes, again. I don't have a chart right here that I saw the other day about how garlic is one of the most potent fruits, vegetables, whatever you want to call it, for combating and preventing cancer, okay? If you need an extract that has a very potent, a 500 to 1 extract of garlic, look for Garlic Gold from Fineland at finelandvitamins.com. All right, number 4, number 5, number 6. I forgot what number we're on. Okay, numbers. Yes. Systemic study on its active bioactive compounds as antibacterial and antibiofilm agents in aging onions. This is another one. If you're taking onions every day, you're having an antibacterial and antiviral substance that is going to keep your immune system healthy, okay? We're talking about respiration, we're talking about bones, we're talking about circulation. We haven't even gotten to circulation yet. In men, it can actually improve the quality of sperm, okay? Sperm, very important. Some men today, with the amount of junk food and the trash we're eating, we're seeing the levels of testosterone and motility of sperm just plummet. It's not working. You know what I mean? Okay. Like the video. Let me see this question real quick and we'll keep on going. And Cassandra Downs is asking, how long should it simmer for? Okay. The time you like. It really just boils down to how it tastes when you're waiting for it. Okay. That's all you need. And this is something that you can do every day. Maybe before a meal, you take some soup. It's delicious, especially now when it's hot out, when it's cold outside. Sorry. You need something hot, right? Okay, number 6 or 7, onion flavonoids in colorectal cancer with hyperlipidemia. Yes, onions are spectacular for your colon also. They might not be the best for your stomach or your intestines, but colon, yes sirree. Like the video. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to give this video a like button. Don't forget to share. And like always, I will see you tomorrow at the same time, same channel, and the same thing all over again. Hopes and that God will bless you greatly. I'll see you tomorrow. Take care.